Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Shopify. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Shopify and you will click in this page of app. And for you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.